Tip number one, when you have a small feature to implement, you create your own branch, you build the feature, it's very small, you finish it in 1 or 2 days, like very small, concise. And while you're typing out your solution, you find, oh, I can improve this part of the service, or I can do all this renaming of this variable because it's gonna be more readable if I rename it. And then you end up going down a rabbit hole of fixing up lots of small things in that service, and maybe that service connects with another service and you need to fix up stuff there, and before you realize, you're spending double the time the whole week on that small feature that it should have taken 1 or 2 days tops. That's a very common problem for developers. We do like to improve our code. Small tip: once you finish your feature and it's in a good state, push it out for comments, make sure that that's working, that's readable, and create another branch to do your improvements. Now, before you commit in starting all the improvements, figure out what's the value of that small improvement that you want to bring, and try to estimate how long it will take you. It's never a couple of minutes, it's never even 30 minutes. If it's 30 minutes and you're sure, absolutely confident about it, then great, do it. You don't need to ask anyone. But if it's gonna take you more than an hour, probably it's gonna be a couple of hours. It could be even more. In those cases, figure out what the value is and if it's worth starting that improvement now, or create a ticket in your backlog for making this improvement in an afternoon, an easy fix that you can take on. If it's not as straightforward how to fix it, and it could be straightforward, but it could still take a few hours. And if you have the pressure in the team to deliver fast, just put in the backlog. And if you want to build on it when you're waiting for something else to be executed, start another branch away from the feature that you're delivering. Make sure you deliver the feature. On the side, you have another branch where you're making your improvements. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.